Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. K.P. Yadav, head the Department of English, Sri Vishwanath PG College, Kalan, Sultanpur. As I came to know that your syllabus has ended, that's why it is important for you to solve unsolved paper. I come one by one on the paper, on the unsolved paper, that is model paper, which is very important for you, so that you may obtain good mark in exam. I come first of all on the paper pattern of unsolved paper 2018. Paper first, the title of the paper is poetry. Paper first is called poetry. As in the instruction there is attempt all questions, each question carries equal marks. First question of 2018 is, who is narrator of the poem My Last Touches? As you know, in your course there is a poem My Last Duchess written by Robert Browning, who was a great Victorian poet. In this way the question may be asked in exam, which age does Browning belong? The right answer would be Robert Browning belongs Victorian age. Robert Browning, Matthew Arnold, Alfred Lord Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson is called the representative poet of Victorian age. Matthew Arnold and Robert Browning is also the great poet of Victorian age. And he has written a dramatic monologue named My Last Touches. The question is, who is narrator of the poem My Last Duchess? There are so many options, 4 options. Each question you will find 4 options for each question, and you have to select one question, because one question is only right answer of such question, of all question. The right answer of this question, who is narrator of the poem My Last Duchess, is a duke. A duke is the right answer of the question My Last Duchess. My Last Duchess. Who is the narrator of the poem My Last Duchess? A duke. A duke is the narrator of the poem My Last Duchess. A duke is the narrator of the poem My Last Duchess. In this way, this duke is the narrator of the poem. Duke is the narrator of the poem My Last Duchess. Question number first, who is narrator of the poem My Last Duchess? Right answer is option number A, a duke. A duke is narrator of the poem My Last Duchess. What type of poem is My Last Duchess? Dramatic monologue. Who has written the poem My Last Duchess? Robert Browning. In this way, so many questions you may create. From one question, so many questions. Next question. Fear death is the beginning of Browning's poem Prospice. Robert Browning has written a poem Prospice, which theme is related to death. Browning challenged death in this poem. The poem starts fear death. In this way, the right question, fear death, is the beginning of Browning's poem Prospice. That is C number option is right option for this question. Third number question in 2018 is, Wordsworth is a romantic poet. Great poet Wordsworth, William Wordsworth and S.T. Coleridge, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Samuel Taylor Coleridge means S.T. Coleridge founded Romantic Age, which starts from 1798 and ends in 1832. William Wordsworth was the great poet of Romantic Age. That is the right question. The right answer of this question is Wordsworth is a great romantic poet. Wordsworth is a romantic poet. That is, D option is right option. Question number 4 is in this model paper. How many lines are in a sonnet? As you know, the word sonnet has derived. Derived mean come. The word sonnet has come from Italian word sonetto, which mean a little sound. A little sound mean a little rhythm. Petrarch is called the father of sonnet. Sonnet is a 14-line poem. How many lines? 14 lines. How many lines are in a sonnet? The right option is C. That is 14 lines. Sonnet has 14 lines. Sonnet is a poem in which there is 14 lines. Next question is question number 5. What is the structure of the sonnet on first looking into Chapman's Homer? This poem has been written by Alexander Pope, who was a great neoclassical poet of his time. In this poem, on first looking into Chapman's Homer is a poem written by Alexander Pope, who was a great poet and also a critic of his time. He is famous for his mock epic Rape of the Lock in English literature. The structure of the poem is the sonnet. This is a sonnet. What is the structure of the sonnet on first looking into Chapman's Homer? Is a sonnet. Is a sonnet in Italian style, which rhyming style is A B B A B B A C D C C D D C D. That is, Italian sonnet is divided into octave and sestet. This is the model. This is mean on first looking into Chapman's Homer poem is a model poem of Italian sonnet. This question right option, that is answer is option number A, A B B A, A B B A, C D C D C D. This is right answer. We come on the next question. Question number 6. Who heard the note of sadness in ancient time in Dover Beach? The poem Dover Beach has been written by Matthew Arnold, the great poet of Victorian age. He has heard the note of sadness in ancient time in Dover Beach. But the option is not Matthew Arnold. Option is not. That is, the right option of this question would be D, none of these. Because there is not Matthew Arnold option. There is no option where there is Matthew Arnold. That is why the right option of this question, who heard the note of sadness in ancient time in Dover Beach, right answer is none of these. Next question in this unsolved paper is in 2018, question number 7. Who had Sophocles? Sophocles was a great dramatist, was a great Greek dramatist who is famous for his tragic play. He was a Greek poet also. Who had Sophocles? Sophocles was a Greek poet. The right option of this question is who has Sophocles? The right option is A number, a Greek poet. Sophocles was a Greek poet. Next question is question number 8. Ulysses is the legendary hero of the Troy War, but there is no option of Troy War. Ulysses is a poem written by Alfred Lord Tennyson, where there is the exposure of scientific progress. Ulysses is the legendary hero of the Troy War, but there is no option. That is why the right option would be none of these. D number. D number, option is the right option for this question. Ulysses is the legendary hero of the none of these. There is not any right option. That is, the right option would be A, D number. Question number 8, right option is D number. That is none of these. Alexander Pope. Next question, question number 9, which is related to 2018 unsolved paper pattern. The question is, Alexander Pope was the poet of neoclassical poet, a great neoclassical poet. D number option. Alexander Pope, neoclassical poet. That is D number option is right option. Alexander Pope was D number neoclassical poet. Neoclassical poet. Next question is, Robert Browning is one of the great poet of Victorian age. Robert Browning is one of the A number option is right option. Victorian poets. Robert Browning is one of the Victorian poets. Next number question is 11 number question. Browning was contemporary of. Similar to contemporary of. Dear students, contemporary of means similar to, same age. Browning was, as I told you, that Browning, Robert Browning, Matthew Arnold and Alfred Lord Tennyson are the great poet of Victorian age. There is the option Tennyson. Tennyson was also the great as well as the representative poet of Victorian age. The right option is Tennyson. C number, Tennyson. Browning was contemporary of Tennyson. Next number question is William Shakespeare is poet of. As you know that Shakespeare was the great poet of Elizabethan time. Elizabethan time, as you know that Elizabethan time means Renaissance. Renaissance starts from 1500 and ends in 1600. In this way, William Shakespeare is poet of Elizabethan age. William Shakespeare was the great poet of Elizabethan age. Question number 13. My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue. My Last Duchess is written by Robert Browning, the great poet of Victorian age. The poem is dramatic monologue. The poem is a great dramatic monologue. The poem is a great dramatic monologue. Next question. Great God, I would rather be a pagan is taken from the world is too much with us. Great God, I would rather be a pagan. This line has been taken from Wordsworth poem, The World is Too Much With Us. And the poet is Wordsworth. Wordsworth has written a poem, The World is Too Much With Us. Where there is the line, Great God, I would rather be a pagan, is taken, Great God, I would rather be a pagan is taken from B number option is the right option for this question. The world is too much with us. That is, Great God, I would rather be a pagan is taken from B number option. The world is too much with us. Next and last question is from this. The romantic age starts from, as I told you, the romantic age starts from 1798. That is, A number option is the right option for 15 number question. The romantic age starts from 1798 and ends in 1832. Dear students, on the next day I shall discuss the remaining question, that is from question number 16. Thanks. I hope that you will be benefited if you see this. Prepare staying at your home. Be safe at your home.